Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to start our day 16 work. So, open your math books. So students, our previous chapter is complete and now we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 2, numbers. So as you know, you write date and day on the top of the page. The date should be on the left side and the day should be on the right side of your page. So students, today our topic is place value numbers up to 20. Place value means jagah ki कीमत, and we are going to learn these place values up to number 20. So students, before learning about place values, we first learn a word digit. What is digit? Maybe you already heard about the word digit. Let me explain you again. Digits are the parts of a number. Look, if we have this number 1, 0, 10. So this number has two parts. There are two parts of a number, 1 and 0. Here is where place value come. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब हमारे पास 2 डिजिट्स होते हैं, एक नंबर के 2 डिजिट्स होते हैं, 2 पार्ट्स होते हैं, तो यहाँ पर बात आती है प्लेस वैल्यू की. So where a number is digit is in the number, let us how it is worth, कि उसकी वर्थ क्या है. तब हमारे जहन में ये क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है 1, 0, 10 है, तो इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है, इसकी कीमत क्या है, इसकी वर्थ क्या है. So students, here we use place values as ones and tens. हमारे पास place values tens और ones में आती हैं. So today we learn tens and ones. So अगर हमारे पास ये एक नंबर है तो हम कहेंगे इस नंबर में एक वैल्यू टेंस की है और एक वैल्यू किसकी है, वंस की है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ आई हैव अ नंबर 9 and 2, we pronounce it 92. 9, 2 means 92. It means we have two place values in it. दो प्लेस वैल्यूज़ यहाँ पर आएंगी, एक होगी टेंस की और एक होगी वंस की. सो टेंस ऑलवेज बी इन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द नंबर एंड वंस शुड बी ऑन द राइट साइड. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब हमारे पास 2 डिजिट्स होंगे, एक नंबर के 2 डिजिट्स होंगे, 2 पार्ट्स होंगे, तो उसका एक पार्ट टेंस कहलाएगा और एक पार्ट वंस कहलाएगा. और टेंस हमेशा लेफ़्ट साइड पे आएगा और वंस हमेशा राइट साइड पे आएगा. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपके पास जब भी कोई नंबर आएगा विच कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ 2 डिजिट्स, तो आपने क्या करना है, उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू देखनी है. और प्लेस वैल्यू हमेशा आपने याद रखना है कि टेंस always stands on the left side and ones always be on the right side. Understand students? So students, let's start our maths work. Moving towards question number 1. Write the missing numbers. One box holds 10 pencils. This box contains 10 pencils. 10 means 10 is a number and it has two parts, 1 and 0. And I already discussed it before that when a number consisting of 2 digits, it means it have two place values, tens and ones. Tens should be always on the left side. It means 1 tens and 0 is always on the right side. So it is ones. 1, 10 and 0, 1. Clear? A part. 10 plus 1. It means 10 pencils plus 1. You have to add these pencils into this pencil. It means 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 1, 1, 11. Same as this number consists of two parts, 1 and 1. So this one is 1 10 and this is 1 ones. Same as moving towards B part. 10 plus 2. Add these pencils into these pencils. 10 plus 2 pencils, it means 12. So you write 12 in this box. It means this number consisting of two digits 1 and 2. So 1 is on the left side, it means 1 tens, and 2 is on the right side, it means 2 ones. Clear? Next, C part. 10 plus 3. It means it has two digits 13. 1 3 13. So 1 is on the left side, it means 1 10, and 3 is on the right side, it means 3 ones. Same as 10 plus 4 means 14. It means 1 10 and 4 ones. Same as 10 plus 5, it means 15. So 1 10 and 5 ones. Let me explain you again. 10 plus 6, it means this box contains 10 pencils and you add these box into this pencils. 10 plus 6 means 16. So 1 is on the left side, it means 1 tens, and 6 is on the right side, it means 6 ones. Clear? So student, moving towards page number 17, this page is your homework. Write date and day on the top of the page very neatly. Do your homework very carefully and neatly. This question is same as you did in your classwork. And this question number 3, in this question you have to separate ones and tens. I am doing one for you. 1 4. 1 4 14. It means 1 10 and 4 ones. Clear? So student, do your homework very neatly and clearly. बढ़ते जाओ, पढ़ते जाओ, बढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. Take care. Allah Hafiz.